Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Grace of Goodness Gracious. This is Little Jackman, and we're standing where the old greenhouse used to be. Today's video is all about demo day. I'm going to show you how we decluttered, cleaned, and tore down the old greenhouse. I'm going to run through some plans for the new greenhouse. Make sure you're subscribed because next week, yes? Okay, cool. And make sure you're subscribed because next week I'm going to show you how I built this little garden bed, how I built these little trellises, and then I'm going to be connecting the two with a budget-friendly DIY archway trellis. Hi. Okay, let's jump right in. By late spring, when all of my seedlings are planted in the ground, this greenhouse tends to just turn into a dumping ground for all the odds and ends around the yard. So cleaning this out was quite the venture.
Another cipher to break, while the grass grows underneath my feet. Been running out of time for so long. Hello, 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 Leah. Now I'm running out of so long. Hello, 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 Leah. Hope I got the time to tell you. Hello, 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 Leah.
Why does this happen? I had built these shelves to go in the greenhouse about 3 years ago, so I didn't really remember how I had put everything together. But I decided to take them all apart and save the wood because, you know, the price of wood is outrageous right now, so I can save that for a future project. all those little nails out was the most time-consuming, monotonous task I've done since I was in labor with Jack. So thank goodness, Kevin to the rescue. He helped me pull all the nails out, saved my hands from blistering, and then helped me do everything else too, because he's the best.
Just need to take all the packaging apart. Famous last words.
When a man and a woman both love each other very much.
Lift our feet up. It really hurts the hands.
Yeah.
That's a sturdy
Why
shell.
did we do that?
Whoa. Okay, I'm getting dizzy now. Here we are. It's empty. That's wild. Kevin and I are gonna take it all apart. We're gonna get rid of the metal frame, but we're gonna keep the plastic windows to save on cost. So when we build the new one, we will build it for these plastic windows. Does that make sense? What the metal frame is right now is gonna be made out of wood, and I'll paint it white and it'll be all pretty and cute and whatever. And the plan has changed so many times on where to put it, but I think I have actually landed on putting it right here. But what I'm gonna do, hold on. This is a 6x8. So I wanna build a 6x6 and pull it forward 2 feet. It will go from about here to here. So then back here, I can build an arch. I'm also gonna make it a walk-through, so there'll be a door on both sides. So it'll sit forward, you'll go through the greenhouse, out the other side, and then there'll be an arch from this garden bed to this side. I'll build another, just a little garden bed. So when you go through the greenhouse, you come out the other side, and there will be an arch of beans and cucumbers. That's gonna be cute, and I'm so excited. So because the garden bed and everything is in front of these plastic pieces, we can't get to the green strips that holds the plastic in place. So we're just gonna attempt to take it all apart, and hopefully we can get to all the bolts. Made a terrible mistake offering to do this. There. Well, that was exciting. Never been here before. Note to self, don't come back at night because it's creepy here right now. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting my tiny little channel. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and if you want to see more content like this, make sure you're subscribed because I have a lot to come. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye!